guys, it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay and we finally finished our Olgierd von Everwick cosplay. We are so happy how it turned out. I wanted to make this cosplay for Ralph since I played The Witcher 3 Hearts of Stone. I really love this DLC, this story and really everything, but I think I mentioned this before in my Iris von Everwick cosplay videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. To be honest, this costume was much more work than we expected, but it was a lot of fun to create it and we put a lot of love in every little detail. But well, you'll see, let's just start. First, thanks to CD Projekt Red that they made this awesome cosplay guide for Olgierd. This cosplay has more details than I expected. Yeah, sadly my disk where I had all the videos for Olgierd's cloak broke a few weeks ago. So I don't have much footage on the cloak I can show you, but as you can see I made my patterns like I always do. First paper patterns, then a mock-up out of cheap fabric, and the sewing progress wasn't super interesting anyway. But I can show you the beautiful fabrics I bought for this costume, yay! This is a fabric I bought on a fabric market about 2 years ago. Yes, I have planned to make this costume 2 years ago, but I never found the time. This is a fabric for the lining which I bought at Joann's 1 year ago. And here we have the beautiful cord Olgierd has as border on his cloak. Instead of showing you now the sewing progress, here we have some detail shots where you can see the final result. Yep, I'm kinda proud of the cloak. My sewing work is getting better and better. But now, finally some progress. The shirt. This is some damn expensive wool fabric which I bought for 40 euros per meter. Still don't know why I did this, but this fabric is amazing. I placed the pattern, pinned them down, cut them out, and ta-da! Then I pinned together all parts and sewed them together. For the cord I added buttonholes on the sleeves with a thick embroidery thread. Then I added the cord, and with some additional stitches I made sure that everything stays in place while Ralph is wearing it. Oh, and may I introduce you to my newest cat helper. This is Minerva, a rescued cat from the streets of Bulgaria. We adopted her in January and she's already the best cat helper ever. So now just the buttons were missing and the shirt was done. Olgierd's belt is just fabric wrapped around his waist. I tested it. It is very difficult to drape the fabric around Ralph's waist and make it stays in place. So I made this belt thing. Here we have the end caps for the tassels. Ralph 3D modeled and printed them and I sanded and painted them. I also made the tassels super easy. These are the buttons on Olgierd's cloak. Again, Ralph 3D modeled them and I sanded and painted them. You see, this costume has more details than expected. The buttons doesn't have any function. The cloak will be closed with snap buttons. Now to the boots. There's not much to say about. I just extended normal leather shoes with a boot cover. The belts are made out of fake leather, which was super thin, so I added some flizzeline to make it thicker. I added these pretty pyramid rivets. Then just the buckle was missing. And of course, weathering to make the leather looks better. The necklace was also 3D modeled by Ralph, and he did a really good job on that. Time for sanding and priming. I hate sanding tiny parts like this one. I made simple one-part silicone molds and cold casted all parts with brass metal powder. If you want to learn more about cold casting, check out my video tutorial. After polishing all parts, I glued them together on a leather strap, so the necklace is still flexible. I casted the little gemstones with crystal clear from Smooth On, which I dyed with So Strong pigments. This is the final necklace, isn't it pretty? And Olgierd has even more fancy jewelry. He has 6 rings, which are all different. Again, Ralph 3D modeled them, printed and sanded them, and I did the rest of the work. Made tiny molds and cold casted them by using aluminium powder and smooth cast onyx. Then we just had to polish them and they were done. Olgierd's outfit is travel worn, so I weathered everything with my airbrush. It was a lot of work, but we are super proud how the costume turned out. Ralph has worn his Olgierd cosplay for the first time at the German Gaming Award and he looked so fabulous. It is so cool that we finally have another couple cosplay and we can't wait for the photo shoot with Andy. One thing that is still missing, which I will show you next time, is Olgierd's scar he has on his head. And yeah. So, if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to support us, you can also check out our shop for our books, where you can learn to level up your cosplay skills. So, see you next time, bye bye!